It's the end of an era. The old Rock Island County Courthouse is coming down. Take a look at this. Today, crews began knocking the building into pieces. This comes after years of debate over whether to keep it standing. Advocates fought to repurpose the facility while top county leaders pushed to tear it all down. Officials say the property will become green space before proposing new county offices at the location.
Some people are against that. But, you know, they should have never been done because that is our history. That's the way it was. And you ain't going to go back and change history by tearing it down.
Rock Island County Board Chairman Richard Brunk says artifacts from the old courthouse are being preserved. He says items like these engraved doorknobs along with a marble founder's plaque are being stored for safekeeping. Now, you may remember a mystery of the doorknobs a few years ago. Brunk says a majority of the objects were auctioned off, but the remaining materials are expected to be on public display in the future.